to a place down on the land. Little summerland, don't shy away, do as you're told. There's a little child waiting to be born today, and you're to be his heart, his soul.
But if I don't go, I don't wanna go, unless the door is pain on the earth below. Let me stay here in heaven, where it's safe now. Please don't make me go away. Can't you see I'm so afraid?
Little Neshama, it's time you faced your destiny. As we fly beneath the clouds now, I will show you there is so much that you can be.
There's another prayer. I will stay here if you answer me. It's all I need to know. You must promise me, dear friend, I took like
Little Neshama, oh, it's a task that I must do. As I clap you on the lip, you will forget me. You're on your own. It's up to you. Come with me, little Neshama, and let me hold you in my hand. We'll fly away, you and I together, to a place above the land.
Where you take me, I don't know. Let me stay right where I am. There's so much more I need to go. Please don't make me go away. Can't you see I'm so afraid?
Little Neshama, I've only come to take you home. There is no need to fear your destination. You've earned the place right by the throne.
Amy Rattenberg.